morning children. Today we'll discuss chapter 9, product of monomials. Monomials are expressions with one term. Now see the second question, exercise 9.2. Find the area of rectangles if length breadth are given in this pair. Let first monomial is for length and second for breadth. Length breadth are given. Find the area. What is area of rectangle? Area of rectangle is length into breadth. So what is length? First expression P and breadth is second Q. P into Q. Both are unlike terms. So it will P Q. Here next 10 mm into 5 mm. Area is length into breadth. So it will be 10 mm into 5 m. Now multiply 10 into 5, 50 m into n is m. Here next 3 mn 4 n p. So area is length into breadth. So length is 3 mn and breadth is 4 n. Multiply numerical factor 2. Numerical factor 3 4s are 12. Now see m. But in the second polynomial m is not given. So write this m as it is. Now next is n. N is also given in second monomial. N into n. N is multiplied by itself 2 times. N into n is n square. And now this p is left. In first monomial p is not given. So write this p as it is. So this is area of rectangle. Now see the next part. 4x and 3x square. Length and breadth are given. Area is length into breadth. 4x into 3x square. First multiply coefficients. 4 into 3. 4 3s are 12. Now next variable is x, and in this also same variable x is given. So while we are multiplying x and x square, that means we are multiplying two terms with same base. In this you can write x raised to power 1, and in second power is given 2. So if we multiply two terms with same base using laws of exponent, base remains same and we add the powers. 1 plus 2, that is x raised to power 3. So it will be x raised to power 3. Here x 1 time and this x 2 times. So x is multiplied by itself 3 times. So we write x cube. Here we are using laws of exponent. A raised to power m into a raised to power n is a raised to power m plus n. While we multiply two or more terms with same base, then base is same and powers are added. Now question number 4. Find the volume of rectangular boxes with length, breadth and height are given. Length, breadth, height of rectangular boxes are given. Find the volume. Okay. Rectangular boxes are in the shape of cuboid. You can take the example of room. This room is a rectangular box and shape of room is cuboid. So find the volume of cuboid. Formula to find volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. So find the volume by multiplying these three monomials. In previous question we have done product of two monomials. Now product of three monomials. So volume is length into breadth into height. That is 5a into 3a square into 7a raised to power 4. First we will multiply coefficients or numerical factors. 5 3s are 15, 15 7s are 105. Now since first is given a raised to power 1, next is a raised to power 2 and next is a raised to power 4. These we are multiplying these three terms with same base. If we multiply terms with same base or numbers with same base, then the base remains same and power added. So 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 4, 7. The answer is 105 into a raised to power 7. Now see second part. Volume of rectangular box. Rectangular box is a cuboid. volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. Multiply coefficients. 2 4s are 8, 8 8s are 64. Now see, in first is given P, in next monomial Q, and in next monomial R. This P, Q, R all are unlike terms. They will same with different base, so we can't add or subtract the powers. We will write these as it is. P, Q, R. Clear? Next, length, breadth, height given. Find the volume. So volume is length into breadth into height. Multiply numerical factors, coefficients. What is the coefficient of this xy? 1. You can write xy is 1 into xy. Now multiply coefficients. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Now see, the next term is, this factor is x. In second term also given x square, and in third given x. So now we are multiplying x, x square and x. X into x square into x. Since we are multiplying terms with same base or numbers with same base, so base remain same and we add the powers. X, you can write this x raised to power 1. In this we also write x raised to power 1. Now add the powers. 1 plus 2 plus 1. It is 4. So it will be x raised to power 4. Now the next factor is y. In second monomial y is given, in third monomial y square is given. So same again we are multiplying y and y square. So base, in all terms base will remain same, and we add the powers y1 and y2. So 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4. So the answer is 4, x raised to power 4 into y raised to power 4. Now question number 5, find the product. 3 or 4 monomials are given. Find the product of these monomials. First is xy, yz, zx. Find the product. So xy into yz into zx. Now first we multiply coefficients. What is the coefficient of xy? 1. Coefficient of yz 1 and coefficient of zx 1. So multiply 1 into 1 into 1. 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1. Now next factor is x. In second monomial x is not given. In third it is given x. So x into x is x multiplied by itself 2 times, so x square. Now next factor is y. In second is y given, third not given. Y into y 2 times y square. Now next this y we have done. Z 2 times z square. X we have done. You can write x square, y square, z square. Clear? Next is a minus a square and a cube. What is the coefficient of a? 1. Coefficient of a square is minus 1. And coefficient of a cube is 1. I told you while we are writing coefficient we consider sign also. Here a square is given negative, so its coefficient is minus. Now multiply 1 ones are 1 and then again 1. 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1. Now this one is positive, positive into negative, negative, and negative into positive, negative. So numerical factor is minus 1. Now variables, in first variable term is given a, in next a square, and in third a cube. That means these all the 3 terms are with same base. While we multiply 2 or more terms with same base, then base we write as it is and add the powers. Now in first power of a is 1, second power 2, and in next power is 3. So powers will be added. 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is minus 1 into a raised to power 6. So you can write minus a raised to power 6. Clear? A square, A cube. These three terms with same base. When we multiply terms with same base, then base remains same and we add the powers. So we are adding power 3 plus 2 plus 1, a raised to power 6. And this is the coefficient, product of coefficients minus 1. Next, 2, 4y, 8y square, 16 right now. 4 monomials are given. Find the product. So first we will multiply numerical factors, coefficients. 2 4s are 8, 8 8s are 64. 64 into 16, 1024. Now multiply variables. See this, first term variable is not given. In next three term variable is given y. So we can write it as 2 into y raised to power 0. Y raised to power 0 is 1. You can write 2 as 2 into 1 and 1 is y raised to power 0. If you don't write, then fine, no problem. Simply we can multiply. Now y raised to power 0, y raised to power 1, y raised to power 2, y raised to power 3. We are multiplying terms with same base. So base remains same and we add the powers. Power 0, this y raised to power 1 by 1 time, then next 2 times and the next 3 times. So this is 1024 and now this is 0 plus 1 1, 3 3 6, y raised to power 6. If you don't write, then no problem. And you can write y raised to power 1 plus 2 plus 3, y raised to power 6. Next, m minus mn, mn. Find the product. First, coefficients. Coefficient of m 1, coefficient of mn minus 1, coefficient of mnp 1. Multiply coefficients. 1 1s are 1, 1 1s are 1. Positive, negative, 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 positive, negative. So coefficient is minus 1. Now next factor is m. M, m, m. M into m into m. M is 3 times. So m cube. Here n is not given. No problem. And next n. In last 2 n is given. N into n is n square. Here p is, in first 2 p is not given. In last p is given. So it will be s. Or here also you can write it as, see the variables are m, n and p. This you can write m, n raised to power 0, p raised to power 0. Here you can also write p raised to power 0. When you multiply, answer will remain same. Suppose if you do n raised to power 0, n or n, then n raised to power 0 plus 1 plus 1. Automatically answer तो n raised to power 2 ही होगा. So if you don't write, no problem. जब भी हमारे पास सेम वेरिएबल्स हैं, हम उनको मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. अगर कोई वेरिएबल अनलाइक टर्म अगर हमारे पास आते हैं तो उस अनलाइक टर्म को हम एज इट इज, जैसे p जो है सिर्फ थर्ड मोनोमियल में है, बाकी किसी में नहीं है, वो अनलाइक है, तो उसको हम एज इट इज लिख देंगे. जो लाइक वेरिएबल्स हैं उनको हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे बाय एडिंग द पावर्स. सो आंसर इज minus m cube n square p. Third question, in book you will do yourself. Simple, complete the table, one horizontal and vertical given, one column and one row is given. Multiply these rows by columns and complete this table. This you will do yourself.